Hey guys, I wanted to show you this Volley C air compressor that I got from the brand to give it a try. I'm really excited about this one because I go camping at least a week a month with my dogs, and I'm always needing an air compressor, especially one that's small and yet powerful. And this is not a light air compressor. It's hefty. It's got a good weight to it. You've got the USB cable that plugs it in, and you've got the air compressor hose, and then you've got several attachments that you can use, and of course your manual. So this is the Volley C Evo tire pump 150, and let's see if you can see this. So you just hit the power button and it turns on, and then here it will go across the screen and show you what type. Like there's for a scooter or moped, motorcycle, I guess, bicycle, and then sports equipment like balls. Now, one of the things that I really like about this is it does go up to 150 PSI, which is plenty actually for me to be able to blow out the lines in my RV when I'm winterizing like I was last week. So it really came in handy because I had this small air compressor that I could use, and I didn't have to pull out my big pancake air compressor and haul it all the way over to where I have my camper stored. So I really did like that a lot. There's also a light on the end here. For emergencies, you can make it blank, but if you're having to inflate a tire on the side of the road at night, very handy to have a light right there. I like how small it is. Really the only kind of downside, if I could say there's one, is that it doesn't come in its own case. That would have been nice to have a little handing case, but I have a tool bag that I carry all my important tools in when I'm going camping with the RV anyway, so that's where I'm going to put this particular unit. So what you'll do is you set the PSI and then it will stop. Like for me, when I was blowing out the lines in my RV, I didn't want to go above 45 PSI. And so I just set it, and then it would automatically stop there, blow out the lines. It did take longer than it would have with my pancake compressor, but I didn't mind. I didn't have to haul all that over there. And this I can just leave in my truck. So very handy tool. I'm really appreciative for the brand sending it to me to try out. And I know it's going to come in handy for years to come. Thanks for watching.